We all know about Jamal Murray, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Andrew Wiggins, but let's focus on some of the other Canadians who are trying to make their mark in the NBA. There weren't any Canadians selected in the 2020 NBA draft, but Nate Darling did sign a two-way contract with the Charlotte Hornets. He could become the first ever Nova Scotian to play in the NBA. Nate's a three-point specialist who shot just under 40% from deep for Delaware last season, and that's something that would have caught the eye of a Hornets team that's been short on talent for quite a while. Karim Mané is another who signed a two-way deal, this time with the Orlando Magic, and at 20 years old, he might just be Canada's best prospect this year. Coming out of Quebec high school hoops, he passed up on several scholarship offers, including Kansas and Michigan State. And at 6'5", he offers that rare size at the point guard position that could really be to his advantage. The Magic are another team that has struggled to find superstar talent, and so they'll really be hoping that they've hit a home run here with Mané. If Nate Darling and Karim Mané are looking for inspiration from someone who went undrafted and still found a way to make the NBA team, they can look no further than Luguentz Dort. Dort is someone who went undrafted just last season, but he ended up signing with the Oklahoma City Thunder. Before you knew it, he was playing in his first playoff series as a rookie, going up against James Harden and the Houston Rockets. Tasked with defending arguably the best scorer in the game today, Luguentz Dort more than held his own, but exploded in Game 7. Not only did he hold James Harden to 17 points, he also put up 30 of his own that no one saw coming. Dort showed he can get it done on the defensive end against the best of them, but if he can show a bit more of that offense, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander won't be the only Canadian we're talking about out of OKC.